What's up? Hello and welcome guys and girls to a new video. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful naked bikes in the world. So this is a simplified version of the Kawasaki H2R and H2. This is a ZH2. It is two inverted forks of Showa gas-filled shocks, which are really good. Actually surprisingly good. However, they're not electronically adjusted. The bike is just retailing as over $21,000 US, which is a significantly low price point for a supercharged bike. Compared to all other bikes that are in the same category, this is by far the fastest and the cheapest, which is turbocharged and a really fast, crazy fast, ballistically fast naked bike. One of the most unbelievable naked bikes you could ever buy, and it comes at a low price, sort of. So a H2R will cost you about $40,000. This is just about $18,000 or $17,000. Still has the same engine, different tune and different gearbox, and still gives you this beautiful chirping sound. It's just phenomenal bike. Really fast. Very, very, very fast. Moving on to the BMW M1000R, it's a very good machine as well. It's one of the most beautiful machines, naked bikes in the world. It's a very fast bike, it has a very good quick shifter, all the latest technologies. Of course, the suspension is also fixed, so it's not semi-active air suspension, you just have to adjust it manually. And the Ducati Street Fighter V4. This would win in acceleration, power, top speed, every single item on the list. This would really beat them both, and still comes at a cheaper price point. So well done Kawasaki on getting a very fast bike on the road at a very affordable or relatively affordable price. Only drawback to this bike is the looks of the bike. I really don't like the looks of the bike, and I don't think could be subjective, of course. However, I don't think they've done a good job making it look as aggressive. So the BMW M1000R, as well as the S1000R, has the best quick shifter I've ever seen. Very smooth, buttery smooth at any kind of RPM, unlike the other bikes I've ever tried. So this is a great advantage. Also, the responsiveness of the bike is just unmatched, and it's very electronically advanced. So if you put it against the Kawasaki, I think Kawasaki would win in acceleration and top speed as it's supercharged. However, this one is overall a more fun ride because it has heated grips, cruise control, sitting position is very comfortable, and the bike is extremely modern. So I would go for the BMW if I can afford one. However, if I want to go on a crazy racetrack or go for a drag race, I'll take the ZH2. Enjoy the video. We're going through some Swiss villages. If you like the content, please share, like and subscribe. Ride safe everyone, and see you in the next episode. So this bike has over 197 brake horsepower and 101 pound-feet of torque. The bike of course is liquid cooled and a fuel injection, as almost all modern bikes. And it's retailing at a ridiculously low price compared to its competitors. So it's about 3,000 less than the M1000RR and about 6,000 cheaper than the Ducati Street Fighter V4. Motorcycle has very advanced suspension system as well.